Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at this beautiful question we are given on the board. We are given that the log s square base 4. This is log s square base 4 plus log s square base 3 equals to 1 over 2, or in decimal place 0.5. We are asked to look for the value of what? X, because our target is to find what? Find x. Now from this question you can observe the bases are not the same. If the bases are not the same, what are we going to do so that this problem can be solvable? Now, in one of the properties of what? One of the properties of logarithm, we have what? A properties of what? Change of base. Okay? That if you have what? Log A base B. This is log A base B. You want to change it to any base you like, any base. This will be equals to log divided by log. Now, since you want to change it to any base you like, make sure you put that base that you like, that you want to change it to. Okay, I want to change to base C. Okay, this I'll put the C, I'll put the C here. Now remember that this is log A base B, so this will be the A and this will be the B. I've changed this base, I've changed it to different base, I've changed to base C. You see, I changed from base B to base C. This is the properties of what? Logarithm. So we're going to apply it here. Now, since the base here is 3 and the base here is 4, we can either change it to either of the base. But since we are starting from here, as you can see that this is in base 4, so we want to change from base 4 to base 3 to make it be the same with this base. So what we are going to do, you can see the same thing I did here. Log, okay, divided by log, okay. Then, but you want to change to base 3, put the 3 here. Put the 3 here. Now you can see this, which is s square, so this is s square. You can see this, which is 4, so this is 4. Then plus what? Plus s to the power of 2 base 3 equals to 1 over what? 2. Now you can see that we are done with changing of base. Now what are we going to do? We can see that something is common. After changing the base, we see that something is common. We are having log s square base 3. We are having log s square base 3. We are not wrong. You see, let log what? Log s square base 3 equals to any variable. Let it equals to what? P. That means in place of log s square base 3, we're going to put P. So this is P divided by what? Log what? Log 4 base what? 3, okay, plus P, okay, equals to 1 over what? 2. Don't forget that the denominator here is 1. Between log 4 base 3 and 1, what is the LCM? The LCM is what? Is log what? Log 4 base what? 3. Now, log 4 base 3 divided by log 4 base 3 is 1. And 1 times P will give us P. Log 4 base 3 divided by 1 will give us log 4 base 3. Log 4 base 3 multiplied by P will give us plus P log what? Log 4 base what? 3. All this equals to 1 over what? 2. Wow, this is pocket genius. Amazing, I love this. Now what are we going to do? Now you can see that the output here is what? 1 over what? 2. Okay, so what are we going to do? Now what I want to do, since this is fraction, we have to multiply through by 2 to remove this from here. Remove this 2 from here, the denominator. You can either cross multiply or multiply through by what? 2. So let's do that quickly. So what that this is 2, if you are multiplying through by 2 into P, okay, plus P log what? Log 4 base 3, okay. Then log 4 base 3 times 1 will give us equals to log 4 base what? 3. Now, the amazing thing we are going to do here. Now, this I'll use this 2 to open this parenthesis. So this will become what? 2P plus 2P log what? Log 4 base 3, okay, equals to log what? Log 4 base 3. Wow, I so much love this. This is amazing. Now what are we going to do? Look at what we're going to do. Let's bring out what? P. Okay, so if you bring out P from here, or if you don't want to bring out P, you can do something interesting here, right? We can also take this 2 here to back to the exponent. Remember one of the properties of logarithm. This 2 here can go back to become the exponent here. So that this is 2P, okay, plus P log what? Log 4 to the power of 2 what? Base 3 equals to what? Log what? Log 4 base what? 3. Now you can see that this 2 we are seeing here is that because the exponent here, which is 4 to the power of 2. Don't forget that this 2 can also go back to multiply the log, so it becomes 2P. Very interesting, right? I love this. Now from here, we're going to add this is what? 2P plus P log what? 2P p log 16 base 3 equals to log what? Log 4 base 3. Wow, this is pocket-genius, right? Now we can say that something is common here, right? What is common? P is common, right? So we can bring out p, that p is common into 2p divided by p will give us 2. P log 16 divided by, p log 16 base 3 divided by p will give us plus log 16 base 3. All this equals to log 4 what? Log 4 base what? Base 3. Wow. Now let me draw your mind to one of the properties of logarithm. Are you seeing these two here? I can do something amazing here as I'm looking at these two. There's another amazing thing I'm going to do here. Okay, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to write this p, okay, into, in place of this 2, I can write this is log 9 base 3. Remember that log 9 base 3 is 2. If I simplify log 9 base 3, it must actually give us what? 2. Because 9 in index form simply means 3 to the power of 2. And if 3 to the power of 2 is 9, that means this 2 will go back to reply the log. I will be left here with 3, and the base here is 3. And remember that log any number to its own base is what? 1. Alright? And 1 times 2 is still what? 2. Let's see how simple it is. So yes, what? All this you are seeing is just 2. Then plus what? Plus log 16 base 3. Okay? All this equals to log 4 what? Base 3. Now, one of the properties of indices said that if this is plus and they are in the same basis, take that same log to that same base and multiply. But if here is division, we subtract. Do you see that logarithm and indices have a beautiful relationship? Because if here is what? Plus, we multiply. And if here is subtraction, if here is division, we subtract. No, if here is subtraction, we divide. You can see, very amazing, right? So this now become what? P, okay, into, take a single log to that same base, which is log to that same base of 3. Then what? 9 multiplied by what? 16. Okay, all this equals to what? Log 4 what? Base 3. Now let's see 9 multiplied by 16. 16 multiplied by 9, let's see. 16 multiplied by 9 will give us 144. Okay, 144. There's no need for us to do this. This is 144. So we're going to add this is p, okay, into log 144 base 3. Okay, is equals to what? Is equals to log 4 what? 4 base what? 3. Wow. Remember, we are asked to look for the value of x, but why are we solving for p? Remember that we are solving for p so that this problem can be easily be what? Solvable. Okay. Now from this, let's find p. For us to find p, you have to divide both sides by log 144 base 3. Okay. So that means p will be equals to log 4 base what? 3 divided by log 144 base what? 3. Okay. This is the value of p. But do you know that we can also simplify this further? Yes. Let's simplify this further. Now, we can do change of base, and let's change this to base 10. Okay, because this is in base 3. So that means our p is equals to log 4. Okay, I'll put this is in base 10. If there's no base, remember that any logarithm without a specific base, note that logarithm are always in base 10. So there's no need of me putting 10 here, because I know that any logarithm without a specific base, those logarithms are always in what? Base 10. There's no link for me to put what? 10. So here is what? 4. Okay, then divided by log what? Log what? 3. Okay, then divided by, I want to change this to base 10, so it becomes log what? Log 144. Okay, divided by log 3. Okay, this is amazing. All right, I've changed all this to what? From their specified basis to what? Base 10. They are all in what? Base 10. That means p is equals to log 4, okay, divided by log what? Log 3. Now, since the denominator here is log 3 base 10, if I want to change this division sign to multiplication sign, I can turn this. I can bring up the denominator. I bring down the numerator. It becomes times log what? Log 3 divided by log what? Log 144. Right? Now this will cancel out this. So now see that our p is equals to log 4, okay, divided by log what? Log 144. This is the value of p. But remember, we are not asked to solve for p. We are not asked to solve for p. We were asked that what is the value of x. As you can see here, that will say let log s squared base 3 equals to p. We are going that p is equals to what? Log 4 divided by log what? 144. That means That means log what? Log s square base what? Base 3. Sorry. Log s square base what? Base 3, right? Is equals to log 4 divided by what? Log what? Log 144. Okay. Now, that means 3 to the power of this will give us s squared. That means 3 to the power of 1 log 4 divided by log 144 is equals to s squared. Taking square root of both sides, it means that s is equals to the square root, okay, the square root of what? Of 3 to the power of what? Log 4 divided by what? Let me write it well. Divided by log 144. Now, if you simplify this further, you must have plus minus. S will be equal to plus minus the square root of what? 3 to the power of what? Log 4 divided by what? Log 144. They are all in base 10. This is the value of s to this particular problem. Now, just simplify this further and you have the value of s. S must be plus and minus. And if you do that further, you have that s is equals to positive what? 1.165. If you simplify this further, you have this, or s equals to minus 1.165, and these are the value of what? X that satisfy this equation. If you are asking that is negative 1.165 satisfy, yes, because here is square, and if here is square, it means that the value of x must be what? 2 variable. Remember, when you are solving for quadratic equation, the value of s is always what? Twice. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and also share videos to your loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video, you notify. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.